But check this. This will tell you it's pure attack on Igbo.
Yes.
They have been targeting
Yes.
Igbo.
Yes.
And this is the first sample. And another one is coming. I'm telling an average Igbo man, open your eyes, advise your If you keep on waiting, the next one might be deadly more than this. They might be telling you that it's earthquake. Because they know how to camouflage. Only God knows that Nigeria is not one. Being a Nigerian is a problem. Let's now sit and talk. But we should start that off from myself. I'm going to advise our people. Stop investing in West.
Finish.
Stop investing in North. I can invest in South. He's come there and attack me. Then we cannot fight. But here, look at the damages. Coxie are still inside there. Go and check. Look at government doing anything. But look at uniform everywhere. Look at clothes everywhere. Assuming we are to be in the other side of Nigeria, you will see governors, you will see things. This is only one action. Look at the damage. This is destruction on Igbo's property. They have attacked Igbos. The whole world have known that Igbos is no more safe in Nigeria. Igbos are no more safe in Nigeria. So the best thing, we can now sit and talk. Not that we are about to go. They are not the one holding us. They are not the one holding us. We are the one that will decide to go. If I decide to go to Anambra, my state, you can't hold me to be in Lagos. I'm only advising other Igbos. Go back to your home. Our leader Ojukwu have said it. Go and invest in your home. Leave the land of Yoruba for Yorubas. Because we know they can develop. We know Hausa can develop North. We know Yoruba can never develop West.
Yes.
But this to tell you the kind of enmity, wickedness in their mind. Forget about the politicians. Forget about Richard. Forget about Tinubu. Forget about El-Rufai. Those people are the monsters of this problem. They are the gangsters. So, you know what? I only advise my fellow Igbos. They should not think home.
Let's go.
That's what I have to say.
Biafra must go. Jesus' name. Biafra must go. We must go. It is too much.
Want to say it must go. Jesus' name. So like say, my name is Oku. Peace from Abia
This
State.
fear attack.
That's happening.
The people telling us that
This damage is too much.
Look at road. Let me ask you people.
Don't go
Are
on
you
a
ready
ditty.
to be
Tell me
Nigeria?
you a ditty.
Biafra. What are we
Yeah.
Want to be Biafra, want to go. Instead of them to kill us.
We must go. Yes, we must go. We have tried enough. Don't bring everybody down. For what?
This has nothing to do with Biafra or no Biafra. The main issue I see here is that the state government, for a decade now, people in this environment, they have been suffering about bad roads, and which is the major cause that gives room to this vandal. I believe by the time Lagos State through this road down to the fire junction, there will be no room for vandal. By then, security personnel will be patrolling this area 247, and it must be motorable.
The next attack.
By then, all these incidents of fire outbursts and whatever will cease to happen. I'm very sorry for the casualties and the family affected.
Let me contribute once more. Watch out. The next attack will be inside the market. Because Igbos have invested here. This is where Igbo invest. And anywhere you see all these casualties, where Igbo man have invested. And the next attack, quote me right, watch out. It will take time to hear that the whole market have been brought down. They will tell you maybe it's an earthquake or pipeline. They know how to let
Don't pass pipeline now.
Confirm bomb.
They tell you, sir.
Mama, we are hearing you.
the rest still remain for them. What are we talking? People should learn. People should learn. People should learn. Let's go to our senses. Look at what they got.
They realize well.
I was saying pipeline until I just stay here.
Look at pipeline.
You see that?
We can be bomb of love pipeline.
Bomb. Oh, God bless you. Go live long. Go live long. Oh, God bless you now.
This idiot, when they don't say now.
God bless you now.
This thing is bomb.
Chama ke kuma ke ha ke mere. No comment. Here our gas line go bomb blast. Here one attack on Igbos through a force. Too much.
Over 8 trillion. And I'm not investigating at all. Looking at the buildings, the market run down and all of that, the building shaking and all of that. Over 1 trillion naira has been brought down. So it's really the interest of everybody in the country. If something to be done about this, it's not responsible. In this whole year, we are still not exactly the total number of people that are dead so far. And we are, in fact, if you look at the buildings out here, we cannot see sure. So approximately, I can tell you right here, the Nigerian government, NTA, channels don't say it's about 17 today. But I can assure you that over 500 people have been gone down at the cause of this very disaster. Over 500. And the buildings that are down, that are having problems, is over 1,000 buildings. So, more than 1,000 buildings. So what we are trying to say is that let the government come to our aid. Let them come and help us. Why are we not doing this? Why us? This thing would have exploded inside the bush or what? Why must it be in the front of the school and in a church? Why must it be in an environment where human beings live? Why must it happen just so close by? Pipeline have been exploding before. 2 years ago, pipeline exploded somewhere down the street here. It have been exploded in Alapado, in Ogun State. It exploded in Port Harcourt. We have had several pipelines. But this one is so magnificent that we cannot tell you straight that this is a pipeline explosion.
This is a bomb blast.
This is a bomb blast. Thank you very much.
You are confined.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Nice one.
Lie down.
You won't continue.
Go there. Lie down.
If you want to they go pack iron.
You won't keep everything.
Lie down.
See what happened here. Bro, sleep on before them go tribalize them now.
Property they go. Go up there, see people houses. People don't know what they have to do.
I know a goal. Away here and rent. Away here and there's nothing. You know, I be on an area. No, let's say game again. No, there's so much again. No biscuit and chingum. And I
Chifobi, that man now, that moto, Nagacho, that Chifobi with that building with plaza, moto Okobor. The bomb on our reverse now, but the king is there with moto. Why go there, Babu Winnie, Babu West, Gobolota, and Leona, we are cannot there. Operate to artists. Hey, they ban the man to la gate here there. They will go. I go over here. Pandami na ala ya ne check the popular name ke zebe hana se yesterday abu da bitu ne gani hey ngwana ka aga access ka beto ga no one for show church ebe church le bu mu school anwa ha park ha na choka ne mara na share yota aba show ba na ehusi lo to sa ga bu ta se ifu to sa ga bu ta okay, yes, ole go madila wine mo leba. Dila wine. Ibo. Lenu lo ibe ba na, ibo no ima ya. Lebo na. Ima ona la jila.
So, you know how not food. I'm talking of get
Kuzo bere nwa, mo bere nwa kupta. Ano na the girl survive. Me no hospital. E ho yesterday. Ndo bere nwa no video le.
the main room
From here. Oh no, men hospital. Hello? No, me survive. I agbachi yo, every agbachi onye wula na ebe a mere, I ka no ebe ahụ. Since I never na ga. It's in the brief everywhere. Na ga. Obu go bere yo.